technical campus in MBA department, just on mother. Last lecture discussed the indirect method formulas, and today discuss the indirect method formulas. So the next step, last lecture, net increase in cash flow and equivalent. Okay. So the formula, first one is subject advanced financial management, and unit first financial planning and shareholder value. Topic cash flow statement. So the cash flow statement topic first, indirect method formula. Indirect method formula. Indirect method and direct method. So the today's lecture indirect method. So the formulas indirect method. Previous lecture discussed the indirect method formulas, and today's lecture same here indirect method, discuss the indirect method formulas. So the last lecture net increase in cash and in cash equivalent. So the today's lecture cash and cash equivalent and the beginning of the period. Cash and cash equivalent and the beginning of the period and the beginning of the period this is called K. So the amount, last formulas, last column amount, and next one is cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent and the end of the period and the end of the period. The period. So the condition cash and cash equivalent and the beginning of the period, this amount, last column, and next one is cash and cash equivalent and the end of the period, amount in last column. This is called J plus K, and next one is less increase in current asset. Increase in current asset. So the amount, this column, and next one is decrease in current liability. Decrease in current liability. Current liabilities. This amount, this column, and total, final column. And next one is cash generated from operations. Cash generated from operations. From operations, this is called C. This is called C is equal to A plus B. A plus B. A plus B means increase in current asset. This is called A, and decrease in current liability. This is called B. Cash generated from operations. Next one is adjusted extraordinary item. Next one is adjusted extraordinary item. Adjusted extraordinary items. This is a this is called F. This column, this column. And next one is net cash flow operating activity. Next one is net cash flow operating activity. E plus F. E plus F. E plus F is equal to G. This amount, this one. And next one is cash flow from investing activity. Cash flow from investing activity. Activities cash flow from investing activity. So the cash flow from investing activity. Proceed from sale of fixed asset. Proceed from sale of fixed asset. This amount, this column. And next one is proceed from issue of debentures. Proceed from issue of shares.
Good.
So we proceed from sale of fixed asset. And next one is proceed from sale of investment. Next one is proceeds from sale of investment. Proceed from sale of investment. this column. Show the total net cash from investing activity. Net cash from investing activity. Net cash from investing activity. This is called H. Total this amount. Okay. Show the first one cash and cash equivalent and the beginning of the period. This is called A amount this column, and next one is cash and cash equivalent and the end of the period plus J plus K amount this column, and next one is less increase in current asset. This is called A. This amount this column, and next one is decrease in current liability. This is called B. This amount and total in this column. Next one is cash generated from operations. This is called C. C means A plus B. This amount, and next one is adjusted extraordinary item. This is called F amount this column, and next is net cash flow operating activity. E plus F is equal to G. This is called G amount this column, and next one is cash flow from investing activity. Show the cash flow from investing activity. Proceeds from sale of the fixed asset amount this column, and next one is proceeds from sale of investment amount this column, and total in this amount column this amount, and next one is net cash from investing activity. This is called H amount this column. So the next step, cash flow from financing activity. So the cash flow from financing activity. Cash flow from financing activity. Show the amount this column, and next one is proceeds from issue of shares. Proceeds from issue of shares. Proceeds from issue of shares. Shares amount this column, and next one is proceeds from issue of debentures. Proceeds from issue of debentures. Debentures this amount, and next one is payment of dividend. Payment of dividend. Of dividend. Dividend this column, and next one is net cash flow from financing activity. Net cash flow. Net cash flow from activity. This amount, this is called I, and this total is final amount. Show the cash flow from financing activity. Show the financing activity proceeds from issue of shares, and next one is proceeds from issue of debentures, and next one is payment of dividend, and last one is net